Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. As someone who loves to spend a lot of time in her bed, take it from me when I tell you that you're going to want to get this duvet cover set from Bambaw. I converted over to bamboo sheets a while ago, but having a bamboo duvet cover has really just elevated the bedding experience for me. These are so cozy, silky soft. They feel so good on the skin and they are nice and cooling because I am a hot sleeper. My favorite things about them are these lock tie snaps and that there are 8 of them. So this keeps your duvet exactly where it belongs inside of the cover. I also love that it has these envelope style pillow shams so your pillows stay inside. And the buttons at the end are just such a beautiful extra little touch. This duvet cover set is just so incredible. Mine is king size in the dark gray color, and we are completely obsessed with this in our home. We spend a lot of time in our beds, so make it as comfortable as possible and get this duvet cover set. You're going to love it, and that's my point of view.